Hello, my name is Gilly Adkins, and I'm a senior instructor for the IBA. I'm here to tell you about one of our advanced courses, Biodynamics. To make sure I stay on track and cover the main areas of this course, please forgive me, but I am going to read from my notes. I love teaching this biodynamics because it's such a practical, exciting, and user-friendly advanced course. When we talk about the BodyTalk system being a language of health, this course exponentially will expand your vocabulary. The richer the vocabulary, the more colorful your descriptions of what is happening in your formulas can be. Both you and your clients will love the additional understanding you will get from taking this course. We begin with the 5 elements. Here we get to see Dr. Veltheim's brilliance of being able to distill the quintessential elements of a beautiful, complex, ancient system into a creative yet practical way of working with that knowledge, one that would enhance the power of your links. The Chinese 5-element theory developed out of thousands of years of observation. An observation that describes how the forces of nature, which includes us, move to either create harmony and balance or disharmony and dis-ease. 5-element theory can be applied to the whole body-mind complex at all levels to bring more understanding and insight into what may be occurring with your client's health and well-being, as well as your own. You will learn how the 5 elemental frequencies of wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, and their concordances, affect us at every level of expression, and the degree of balance will be reflected in you and your client's health. In biodynamics, we also go into more depth regarding the Wei Qi, an extrinsic energy system that we have heard briefly about in BodyTalk fundamentals and the reciprocals. From a Chinese medicine perspective, the Wei Qi is seen as the first line of defense between us and the outside world, and therefore it is of primary importance. Balancing a client's Wei Qi helps to promote the understanding and functioning of healthy boundaries, again on many levels, and BodyTalk offers a simple and practical way to address this. You will learn that the Wei Qi has both a protective and defensive function, as well as a synthesis quality. A well-functioning Wei Qi helps us safely and effectively interact with our environment. The primary focus of biodynamics is all about balancing movement and the exchange or change that happens as a result of that movement. Movement literally represents life. In BodyTalk fundamentals, you learned about birth and environmental vivaxis. Well, in biodynamics, you'll also learn how to do an internal body vivaxis. This involves improving the positional relationship of individual body parts. If body vivaxis is a priority, you will be asked to find a specific body part that wants to move in relation to another body part. This realignment will then optimize the flow of information and hence improve communication between these two parts. This concept of optimal position also applies to all the techniques you will learn in the MUSK protocol. Here you will invite a part of the musculoskeletal system to release and relax so that a better position can be found and function can improve. Again, when this comes up as a priority, the shift can occur instantly and easily with no force whatsoever. So releasing a sacrum or a pelvis, for example, can occur effortlessly and often immediately when addressed within a priority protocol. This part of the course is the most practical one of all, with lots of table time to experience and practice the techniques. Everybody loves to feel how easily and profoundly the body can adjust using these gentle and respectful approach to BodyTalk. There is no pulling or pushing, just gentle invitations to move. So how great is that? Then we cover BodyGenics, which includes a technique to help release the diaphragm, improve the breathing cycle with the pelvic rock, and the dynamic emotional release technique. This is where we can address specific emotions that have been stored in the body somewhere in concordance with our new 5-element understanding. Rather than addressing a specific event or belief system, as in BodyTalk fundamentals, here we find a specific emotion in a specific body part, and we use visualization and tapping to drag the unprocessed emotion to the diaphragm for release. Finally, you will learn some additional reciprocal theory techniques, namely intrinsic reciprocals versus the extrinsic reciprocals you learned in BodyTalk fundamentals. and a specific rehabilitation technique that can work wonders for chronic areas of pain. And last but not least, in biodynamics, we address the exciting area of agenda sessions and the concept of time release. This is where you can offer your clients specific help with upcoming sporting events, such as a track meet, a tennis match, or a basketball game. Maybe it's for a specific performance, public speaking, taking an exam, or giving a piano recital, or maybe preparing for surgery. Adding time release, if asked for, to your sessions can give you and your clients tremendous flexibility, so you can do the BodyTalk session prior to when it is required. So, all in all, you're going to love this course. Biodynamics places us right back into the natural world from where we came, and it feels like coming home.